friends, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be transforming Indomie, an iconic noodle brand from Indonesia, into a streetwear brand. We'll be redesigning their logo and we'll be creating some unique artwork for the t-shirt. So if you like this kind of stuff, hit subscribe and let's go. So the general idea for the logo is basically I'll be using the shape of the dry noodle itself, in a rectangle shape or square. So I'll be using the concept of like a I don't know what you call it, like a Y2K style, basically just a black and white style, and then I'm gonna top it off with some wavy shape, like squiggly lines, not really squiggly, but it's just to represent something like the noodles, but in my head it's basically a wave. So we are basically running away from the noodle thing, but we still have the idea and the main concept behind it. I know some of you might be saying that, yo, this guy is not redesigning as a noodle brand, but he's just doing whatever he wants. You're right. I'm just doing whatever I want. Like I said, I'm just gonna design and reimagine brands as a cool and unique. So usually streetwear brand doesn't really have meaning. Am I right? They just look cool, and most of the time you don't understand what they're saying, right? So yeah, just enjoy the process. For the back side of the t-shirt, I decided to go something like like those concert t-shirt. Yeah, so it's kind of weird, Y2K and concert. So, but yeah, we just fling it. And this time, instead of using those normal instant noodle packet, I'm using this cup noodle Indomie. They sell over in Korea. I think it has a more stronger visual overall instead of a packet noodle. Yeah, just my opinion. So Indonesian, don't hate me, please. I like Indomie. I like it. I love it. to finish things off, we're gonna group everything into one layer, and we're gonna turn it into PNG by removing the background color, and we're gonna put it in a mock-up so that we can visualize and see the end product. So here's the outcome. Again, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this transformation and want to see more, please comment down below with the brand that you want me to redesign next. So yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.